Hello everyone, Diane Gordon of London Living Real Estate. I'm here with Angela Bobanovic, who is the lead designer in the renovation of 49 Windsor Avenue. We were lucky to have this listing and proud to sell it. Angela, can you tell us a little bit about the renovation process and anything that you can add for the people watching the video?
Sure. So we worked really closely with a contractor, and one of the first things that we wanted to do was open up some walls. It's a lot of woodwork that we painted to brighten up the space. One of the biggest design decisions we had to make was removing the stairs and relocating them. So we took out the wall between the dining room and the kitchen, and we were able to add a beautiful open concept kitchen with a bonus pantry in the back. Not a lot of old homes had that. So when we relocated the stairs, we were able to create a beautiful open staircase to the second floor and added a powder room. Upstairs was a little bit of a challenge, but we took advantage of the slopes and were able to add closets, and instead of the staircase, we were able to add a 3-piece bathroom. This was a really fun home to redesign and decorate. 5 tips to making your home more lively, a nice little change. I have 5 tips for you. 1 is reconstruction, maybe opening up some walls, perhaps creating rooms that you would utilize a little bit better. Color, if you want a quick change in your home, just paint it, whether it be a light, bright white color or a moody tone to create a cozy space. Space planning, where do you put your furniture? And lastly, how to decorate with layers, textures, and a cozy feel.
Angela, thank you very much for joining us. Being in this lovely, beautiful home, I had many people come in and want your car. So if anyone has any questions, please see the link below to contact Angela. She's available most every time, and she's very easy to work with. Thank you, Diane Gordon, London Living Real Estate.